You can expect a lot from the 2011 Dodge Journey. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Dodge prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.